THB, the whole brand. Omo aso ne brands and marketing manager edema THB Abraham Entry Benefo din abebrina tade fani AB ono na ye brands and marketing manager edema THB AB anyume ya mwakwaba edeba oyepa FM oyepa TV ene baby oyepa fa bia mejitu yeso ho ye
no swagger yeso ho ye na yeso yemfa konye na ncha minya no mo mo ncha ni production ni obibi o hwe bia so yemo mache
okay
afisha paso de afisi entemo ntanti yemfa ho ne fan
oh sa afi yewura mo se ye hia bem prince house emprenai
me shere ncha ye me time zo ye boga na nkwan na mhia
na se ni nyina ye hia
ze na boga se
hia bia ye hia
yeah na ice na wo to am cheche nyan mo na
okay all right ebi anyume de ba waso yenye bone enra na ye status ye DTH bi hu nkomo omunkomo na ye di Asante Kotoko o status o mo unveil o mo players new players o mo ba be team no for 2026-2027 season no na ye nyina ye nim se MC players for huntuma at the rest season for ma the common practice and it's mostly no ayano mu yusu omo kitsa omo be share sa season na ye ba be wram no nanso ye Asante Kotoko players omo value omo no the hu ye ne se afi atwa mu kitsa Asante Kotoko yusu ye free THB aso ye ba ye no eno ena Kotoko yusu yenim se THB to aso akete Asante Kotoko ti ye baya ye bisa se edie na asi amasa asemu yi akoba
okay that was in a take opportunity to answer if one na enye bibia wuji ze Kotoko kui ye ba so nem ze 3 years in ye to aso 4 years the ups and downs by a share name be beginning was a very big challenge. The shots are not rough on road, are very rough. He is stable. And the picture last year. Into Mamuji too said, the shots here last year. THB kids in the bank, them crime started on pre-season in the Abadiatuma. It began to be because now I had to get to see share deal processing. Was about first year, and we become 1 year. I'm almost at the man, they're too short. If you are not ready, I'm not correct. You're ye kaka. Challenge is kaka be bao. We answer 1 year, maybe we answer what I mean 2 years. Indeed, you say challenge is kaka so as how because woman, yes, she's enough answer now start to process now. A check because manufacturing company and you can also do near kwamna system will be a manufacturing company. Yes, okay, beginning of the season, and that's washing in your mass. And you also ya could be you me. And the one there was to be a second year. No, I guess you know, a short term you die and you focus on the third year. In the third year, the boys are pre-season in Nana, you just know that. Because that was the lesson. You say, "Oh, start a conversation in them now. Yeah, your man come out. A boama over cost of production crackers from because we not output time now. Wash upon your man. I'm a cost na day. Abba form. Into a new animal tuna. You need old management. No, estate say it is better so be start negotiation in them. You make kaya out the mama ready smooth to that say November, December. And yes, decision so that we can do it early, not any manner. But just along the way, in the new board by, never be they'll be reviewing things, they'll be looking at things, they'll be modifying things, they'll be trying to put their hands into everything. Into that discussion, you know, into Emma, the near person your money ban, Temono, and to me, money because. I was almost in that time, no more steady, no more should be no more. I don't mean put now, but be more answer. And no more process, no. and a check a but nevertheless, THB is a THB, it's a company, it's a brand. All said the contract is for 2026-2027 football season. Within that, we did so. I'm sure, say, you need to me. I'm actually that contract.
So me tie the uchechi machi ya. Na say delay ya ben nyina even as Santiago go board ya where because of time o mobile any nhyiamu a mo start say mo ye na maye changes kakra no. It go board no accept yes delay ya any akobai.
Me ye samba me chese me be so put ni samba me chese inkitawudi delay. And time was the production so timeline. So the channel and a production over 3D you the only 3D logo no you the only label you the see the new one you produce this in way into no production one timeline is into no na amani no ISR but I'm gonna deal a crime and a very cost to us because what it means is that also only lifting your money by air. Only lifting by air cost to us. Indeed, I was a club who said, "You merchandise, so I get in Kenya. Now, some common year starting up the wabo first, you mean back or anywhere, you can say, mobile first one, we can say, well,
first one,
first one, now, when you start the discussion, so that you're not, when you're a bit more than them, it will be EP or no one, and sometimes, a mobile league now. Team bet me the next season just about last match because about first one year and started thinking about the kitchen. So our clubs need to have that mindset. Say, you can't money in it. So we had discussion about kitchen. Otherwise, when you have advantage, if you sound commodity, new people now also must study with Biano. Some commodity have review, and the man you might appeal something person. The best stuff for the media say, and you boy, and you be a but or say a movie, I say, you catch your music, you start league media. Maybe be a bar, be a between I fair.
Abraham, I mean, Miss Will, Ubetimi confirm, and I so bet me choose so bet me, and move on from this question. Now, you say, even before season Ebabe and the Meche last season, there was contract extension between Kotoko and the THB. Inti Sabene extension Ebaye now they are more prepared for a next season. That means kids in 7 annual manumani nyinano. Ayamo Jumano, more yes, Jumani nyina. Inti from that time now, extension Ebaye but in the first place, extension by
the old one.
After the first contract the new one is
there was extension.
Okay, so extension by namunim say my extend next season Kotoko bebo it the preparations na moye ya etimi bibisa bebo ma be dealer ene aye ka say still yehu Jesse Asante Kotoko behye next season e wa bonten.
Okay, on that extension that time the year Kotoko designs in Dubai. Was it designs now? So yeah, idea a year strike a friend, and then no one Emma maybe up in some time as of it, and then no one a year Harry who also had the effect, and then no one and Uber so and effect. If you need the beer on the musician and in addition, and me how or person was a Sunday into that extension na ni board ne pe in sesayebo contract ni on person mo nya sesayebo in design sesayani designs ni on the board so ma ba fofo o ni ma bebre o mo ye review so and their business with in design na amana dealing ye you really so yes you could do production yes you could do live you could do keep you really ya sa lifting your money dia ba na so time you say your money na ama administration your money deal kaka but and you say deal say you better deal na Kotoko ni dey show Debbie, that. Now, some platform, yeah, Matisse, more pictures and videos of items, and I'm anting up.
Sound.
Oh, some change them with the videos and pictures there, and then another.
Okay. Now, Abba.
Some more videos.
And I'm saying, yeah, we Abba.
Some more videos.
And I'm saying, Abba.
Some more videos, and I.
Yeah, we are on a brands and marketing manager for TAB, and you will say Abba. Ebi Abba. If you had a Kotoko has on Beshe or New Jersey, no Kotoko Beshe New Jersey, no.
Debbie, and we mean to Kotoko, Yaya ceremonial Jesse Amon. Kotoko ceremonial Jesse, and no the ball, South Africa tournament, you know. No the ball, Yaka, top 4. So the idea was that they should use the ceremonial Jesse. That ceremonial Jesse, no. Replica and also the Mufwa. The Kotoko dear, I can tell how much.
Okay. Kotoko Beshe almost ceremonial Jesse no on.
Almost ceremonial Jesse. House of folk or no contract started 2026-2027 season. It is a starting at Yombe Biano so like a but just one and Chasero.
Meet.
But when you just agreement 2026-2027 season. And as I season in Chassis. Into your mobile decision before I don't be piano. I know on my year on back to my
2026-2027. We I asama wakan Nentias ye Eden Kakao 2026-2027 and our money has agreement ne isi etie, which means has ebesho mujesia the very day a league ni best at ebo prr has first game no and no betin show mujesia na opeso che
the main cancer, but I'm saying that the our is that year no and you know contract started. You say you meet me next week or meet me organize a match group of my no much in this year is their decision. Whatever they will do for me to my but we know season started from 2026-2027. Until only decided say okay, you need to talk of match in the share. It is their decision. We decided okay, the next Sunday on the organize match group of no more share. It is their decision.
Nessa Mito ya has the end there Abba. Ejina has so omo na be kire da mbesho mu jesi. Yes sir.
Obi agesi mami putin sama na nye
eno na medi ka busa wana eti Kotoko de aba has de aba mediama de aba aduana de aba club bia e wo Ghana ha tie bi eketi omu bia na omu jesi aba
obi aba.
Okay na
bia ebia omu sanka ne se ko tie bia yenye kitchen nko ya the branded ya the content so ya the marketing account ntubu se wo mo kaya yenye ya tabo members no mum ni abo players ni din sa ne mani na ye keo nti we are using this week to do that enyamano club was sponsors no bibia ye pese because you just you did that dimension in na number dimension means dimension they be sponsor bebo they be look which can many na ye je ekabo nti ya ni pese boni na efe near the clubs. So we are using this week, the next week, to do those that because when it is things will be so close, almost sponsorship, and through, next week, maybe I think it will be every say, and teams maybe so register new players. So any members of the moment, yeah, the GMA sizes meaning, yes, I do many
okay.
Sana, yeah, the changes, I'm a class.
Okay.
But other staff, we do money, echo.
Okay. Intimate we are Abba, but more handy over Emma clubs no. ma membisa we ha so de no yetete yese omoto na ma provide the amomo e bajo no kro bi rum
bajo de
me say ha so de no like has A2S card ya THB na my production the amomo.
Okay, it's ownership of 3 areas. It's in the because there are no contract issues between two parties. It means by 3 categories here. Bako, I'll supply the items for free to the club, and I also take control of the selling of the replica. That's one. 2, meet me lab no. The strength we're gonna support this business in extra. Wait, like I said, okay, team merchandise cost no for 50%. I'm giving you a 50% sponsorship of the team merchandise no. Buy a replica quantity that you can afford. And so and again, may supply team merchandise no. Now me know what maximum certain quantity I was also to if you know. Like I'm what I say. And in these are the 3 categories here. Your clients no a young workman.
Okay.
It will here a million or now you need to take control of the replica. In terms of branding and promotion, marketability of the product, we actually get ourselves involved because one more need to this time around we don't have control. Into everything relies on the team.
Okay.
Into how he wants to market his product, another person it depends on him. So only determine when to do this, when to do this, when to do this. Ours is just to provide the design or no physical design or no other idea.
Okay.
See, these are the areas here. To use a cyber, not to say, will be adapted for a different thing, and as will be a different thing. But yeah, now me and India we don't want to discuss because there's an agreement between two parties, and there are confidentialities that we also need to respect.
Okay. Me have 2 questions now. We enkomo ayedino ene. Me hu say ene pictures been in Amabonten. Say mo office one kind house players ever city ho. Aye hu justice eba Bonten say house be hye no ebi esensen ho. Say pictures aye hu ye no kwede a na che say house replica ye ready we supporter obetumi akoti ebi o maso ye bia no akoto bia na
baby we came up with an idea of say also always we want to generate workability content wise in a Yama clubs. So our club I have sown for a period, we gave that opportunity say they should visit our shop so that your sportswear in your maybe THB shop we don't deal with eating sportswear and THB deal with African wear and Okra is the most premium brand of THB, just that you don't know how we're gonna morning to many people. But we are here offering about the your lifestyle wear and also another part in the sportswear. We wanted our class and another team more contract to pass our office and generate content and marketability. So we gave the option to Emma clubs near no. Then also folk decided they would take that advantage, say new players now other clubs they want us to visit our THB shop so that they also have a feel of new sponsor now
okay.
All the clubs now we give the option and also folk to advantage from it.
Okay. Every question they try to that bay and supporters yes because supporters need bisa that bay na supporters there eso eba bonten and na woka uyu su asante Kotoko kasi because of changes eba Kotoko nti ena ema nyoma delay kakra because na so mo ye changes kakra ewo enhyehyɛ na modi kan aye make a question mienu na abom aye ne baako na other teams die so a omo nhye mi hu ye omo so adoma ama mo nkyɛn tem ana nti di kan supporters ne dia no ma na fa other teams so die ni wie
what supporters in the market Jones yeah Kotoko work seriously that very serious but I said Yension League national at least na almost replica na biaba yeah 2-1 or more yeah the 2 million to merchandise now replica should be aba nti ano sana montoni eguso ayitu a na wo ye nimpa say you bit me achieve that purpose no that is one and the what kind of questions very triple because supporters you know no Nation League national charge na the crack was a 1 week 2 weeks number a better class than I said but they stretching myself for just 1 week 2 weeks name so aba and I'm on tonight to me to we are just hoping say and you may be to me or the due to so many airport issues no you don't have control over it. But what I can say is yeah, left his heart supporters no replicate them by air the bar and I'm on table to say you bit me in term and no attack it. When see a league national Muswenya, what do you want?
Okay, all right. And the you and
yeah, second we book 2, 3, 1 be boom.
Na me kan da clubs ne de na nsu delay ye no o ma ma mo nchen tem ana se eno su changes e bia mo de we come si mpe we mo de we ba mo so yinkwe ni sei
and yes sir they were they wanted to review the and then they also wanted to make an input because like I said no everybody be our vision and you be our this what do no the name will be better cost-wise, will be better financial. There are so many things that need to be a driver. If you were looking at those things, they are different from the other management. That was it.
Okay.
This is what we believe in. This is what we want to achieve. This is what we want to drive the club to. If you go by this, you say the new rules and the new directions from the new people.
Okay.
And you know they are very busy people, you know, business minded, and no more anti. And the man never cry. And man later can buy.
All right, Abraham and Tribenefo. Na ya twa Abraham no so short na any Abraham.
Saka metro. Some information being a trim address. Yeah, some need team. Indian or your brown pen for them. One friend, sometimes never boy it. Yeah. Now, we to me Babo and Timbatiana. With the move, get a cat cage, Abraham and America. With my friend, with my friend. Information dinner at trim address. And I'm a Shawa, I'm beside. Now, yes, so. Bit my career, can you think I cry never find anywhere? Bit my abwa.
Edu maybe Ayana will pay ding.
Maybe that good penny, Mr. Good penny. For more than a minute, and let your number can you bear for more for me no minimum. Somewhere, the penny.
Do ya?
Uma, multitude no be any semi penny.
Okay. You walk one and you want to soon.
So, it is after that, Mr. Damasipi, now. Ebetia Kotoko for tea for no Bibiana in the so many years from tea about the episode. Yeah, Cafe Yeduma. So many years. Yes, I brought it to make impact. Our sister will not as you go. And the Madama, and the Mumpai boiling mean the opportunity I'm the may say anything by me tumpo.
All right. Amy, Yedasi, Yemfansia, Yene Abraham and Tribunefo or no, and a brands. And marketing manager edema the whole brand THB and you know edi enkomo and may ewo highway sports jumedi no eso